If you've been searching for that golden opportunity to step up in the entrepreneurial world, then I've got a game changer for you. Let's dive into a unique chance that doesn't come around often. This is an opportunity to dominate the roof cleaning market in your area with Roof Shampoo, the eco-friendly roof cleaning system with immediate results that's taking the industry by storm. Imagine this, you owning the rights to provide roof shampoo services across your entire exclusive area. We're talking about a national brand that's recognized and trusted, and now you have the chance to be at the forefront leading its expansion. This isn't just any opportunity, it's a dealership where you have exclusivity to provide roof shampoo services to all potential customers in your area, which means more freedom, more control, and frankly, a greater scope for profit. Now, why roof shampoo? Because it's revolutionary. It's not just a cleaning product, it's a system. It's eco-friendly, safe, and designed for the future and the market. Roof Shampoo doesn't just clean roofs, but does it safely, responsibly, and instantly, without using dangerous chlorine bleach or phosphates. As consumers become more eco-conscious, your dealership will be there to meet their needs, not just today, but for years to come. What's in it for you? Flexibility. You get to build your business model, create your strategies, and lead your sales team all under your vision. This isn't a franchise with rigid rules, it's a dealership. This is your playbook, your rules. You have the autonomy to build this opportunity into something that fits not only the market's needs, but also your own entrepreneurial vision. But here's the kicker, folks. This opportunity is exclusive. That means it's a one-time deal for one entrepreneur or one company per region. Once it's gone, it's gone. If you have been searching for the perfect opportunity to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and strike out on your own with a high profit margin business with low startup costs, act now to lock in your territory. Visit roofshampoo.com for more information or call us at 301-791-2900 to see if you qualify.